Hello, and today, nice to see you guys. But and today, we're playing Animal Company. Come here. We're playing Animal Company with my friend. We're going to make a. We're going to make
this
a really
grappler
big,
small.
He's gonna make the grappler small. Yeah. So this is gonna be a lot of grinding, big video, but we'll show you everything through it. We will die a lot, which is why I have shotgun. Yay! I also have a grappler. I don't want to make it small though. I also have really big backpack for no reason at all.
And also we have a lot of TNT to make it.
Okay, so I'm not gonna take this really big backpack because it can only fit like 12 items. But I need a big backpack, so slam jump.
Okay, let's get some rockets.
I kind of want to bring a shredder, but okay. So we're gonna be bringing you through here, and I'm probably not gonna edit this video as saying this is one of my first videos I've ever just. I just now signed into my YouTube account, so yeah, cool. Okay, let's go.
Alright, you ready, Grim?
Yep, let's go. Thank you for calling me Grim. Alright. Hey! Wait for me! We forgot a flashlight.
Oh my god.
Wait, let me look through like my piles of OG stuff. I'm not trying to flex, by the way. But,
don't worry, I could just buy a flashlight, but... What?
Oh my... Okay. Never mind. Oh. I don't have any big. Oh no, wait, you're the light. You're gonna be our light source.
Yeah, because I have. Yeah.
I have a flashlight backpack, but I'm not gonna use it.
Yeah, because that's like OG, and I don't want to lose it.
Yeah, I have two though, and I have two suitcases, which aren't that rare, as saying that they were here a lot longer than flashlight backpack was.
Yeah.
One time we were playing Animal Company with this man, me and my friend, and this man just comes out of we're playing Animal Company this game, and we're chilling. We're in the mining update. And then we're so close to like getting to the end, and then this man with bombs on his chest, he says, "I'm a star," and he just explodes all of us. And it took us like 20 minutes to get our story back. All right, we're gonna kill Robot Woman. Now here's a tip: have a grappler and a pickaxe. First of all, you gotta find Robot Woman. She has terrible eyesight. You could just.
Nice.
Okay.
You get stunk.
And now, you gotta find passes. This is what they look like.
Yep. And then you want to put them in my backpack.
Yeah, and we're gonna try to find rubber duckies along the way. But we're gonna try to get as many passes as we can, because we're gonna be failing a ton.
Yo, Grim.
Yeah.
You might put the pass in your backpack, because I have a lot of TNT in my backpack. So
oh yeah.
Backpack's like empty.
Alright, you have the duckies and TNT. I have the passes.
Yep.
Alright, another pass. I recommend getting as
like
many passes as you
now.
can get.
This looks like a good start.
I'd recommend trying to get as many passes as you can get, as saying that failing is going to be a very common thing when doing this, because we hate that woman. Oh no.
Yo, bro, something's on my...
Oh, a staple.
I'm gonna check if
it doesn't even staple.
Respawned or something.
Okay, so there's a ton of items shown in here. Just know that almost none of them are useful, except for the passes. You're gonna need those. Which I think we've already specified a lot.
Yeah, and also,
Third pass.
Then the girl responds.
Where is she? You said she respawned, right?
Yeah, she did.
This music is fire, bro. Oh my gosh. Die!
There might be a pass in here. No, there's a plunger. Another rocket.
Alright. So this is really the only
you
place
ready
that
to
you
go?
can
I
really
think we
goof
have, like, a
around
lot
in
of
if you have the right
passes.
things. So, let's see. Okay,
We might
one
have
final
a
check.
lot
One
of
final check. What I'd recommend
one
when
final
doing
check.
one final check is to just walk through them, checking thoroughly. I'm already checking that thoroughly because I already know 3 passes is enough. Will not. By the way, this is our first time knowing how to do this, so this is gonna look quite wonky.
A little derpy.
Yep, very derpy actually. But alright, I think that's all of them. Let's go.
Yep. Alright, let's go.
Okay, so there's this one mining part where you can mine and get a lot of duckies. That's what we're trying to get to. But there's this NPC called Jeremy Lawson. I hate him so much. He's not exactly scary. It's just that laugh. It's okay.
I know. It's just not
Beyond this point, I'd recommend for everyone watching to turn down your Oculus. No, your Oculus. With your headphones, device you're using, because Jerry Lawson's laugh is so impossibly loud. It straight up sounds like something from Scary Baboon.
Yo, Graham.
You're about to hear it. Not that loud, actually.
But it doesn't take that much to kill him.
Yeah.
Super.
Yo!
I could be a Starman again.
No, please, I'm begging you. All right,
No, come here. I'm a Starman.
so come on.
Okay, I'm not gonna do it. But
Alright,
I'm gonna
so-
do it in like that room. I'm gonna do it in that room.
Oh,
So
and like
you might
get
wanna
all the
back
rubber
up.
duckies. Okay, there's no rubber duckies in here. Are you ready? Okay, wait.
Yep.
Okay. First, let me. Oh dang, bro! I shut it.
Now we're
He's right there.
really close. Yo, back up.
Yo.
Just kill him. Just kill him.
All right.
Actually, open the door.
Freaky. Are you ready to shoot, comrade?
Yep.
Go! Please don't die. Did you die? No! Starman!
Coming back.
Yo, my internet! Yo, what happened? Dude, my internet just crashed for a second.
Oh my god, are you still in the lobby?
Yes, I'm still here now. My internet crashed for a moment, so I gave me a heart attack.
Oh my.
So, in the meantime, I'm just gonna start yapping.
Yo, what's up?
What's up? Alright, come on. Come through, bro.
Come on.
Wait. Is it open? Yep. Alright, get your stuff, come on. Come here.
But why is he going after me? What did I do?
All right, I'm gonna get the rubber duckies. Oh, have them already like despawned or something?
I think of despawn.
If all of them despawn, I'm gonna cry. Where are they? Man, we can just mine
They
for
like all
them.
despawn. Yeah, you can mine them. And hold the rubber duckies. So the rubber duckies, makes your item bigger. And the
Why last time when we used rubber duckies, it like broke it? Yo, I got a research point.
Nice. Some up here.
I'm gonna get these. No,
No!
no,
I got it.
I got 2 passes down here.
No! We need
Okay,
bubble.
fill it up with all the rubber duckies, and then passes.
Oh my god.
No.
Bro, I'm staying right here. I'm gonna try to kill him.
Yeah, try to get my stuff on the ground. All right, I'm coming back.
Okay, I killed him.
All right, I'm coming. Can you try to get my stuff and then come back?
Yeah.
Okay. 1 out of 2 finished already. Yeah, this is gonna be a quite long video. This video is gonna be quite long, as saying that we've already got. Oh, I see you. Okay.
You're coming. Come on, your backpack is like in the middle. I'm gonna have to get it.
Okay.
Oh, take my backpack.
Run.
Close
Shut the door. Shut the door. That is too menacing, bro.
I know, bro. His laugh is crazy.
All right, we gotta kill him one way or another. Okay.
Oh, this is yours.
Yep. Okay. Come here.
Get my stuff.
Nice deal, mother clapper.
Yeah, bro. That's why you don't mess with us. Put these in.
Yeah.
Alright, take your thing. I'm the flashlight man.
There's a star, man.
I'm gonna take this.
Oh, okay. You're flashlight man, remember?
Yep, I'm flashlight man. Ah.
And I'm damage man.
Yep.
Sorry. I gotta stop hitting you, bro. I'm up here. Over here.
Oh, there you are.
Can you open that?
We're going back because we have a lot of stuff already.
Yep. Alright. Okay, so we are now after we get past this elevator, we're now at the part where you can make your stuff big.
Yeah.
Cool.
After we kill Jerry one more time.
We're not gonna have to oh yeah, we are gonna have to kill Jerry one more time. I'll kill him. Nutcracker did not even notice me. I'm not gonna throw that.
It's this way, I think. No.
Now don't be scared. All you need is just an old. Don't be scared.
bro, come
It's
over
not
here.
that scary. All you need is an old-fashioned. Wait, where are you?
Yo, where did you go? I see you.
I come on.
That's the place we started. If I'm. Oh no, we're here. Okay.
Okay.
So now we put in the item that we want to shred where. Okay, you have the ducks. I have
First,
the.
we gotta put the TNT.
Okay, we gotta put ducks in there as well.
Yeah, put ducks. Put the ducks. Put every single duck.
You know, like half the ducks are gone. You guys know, right?
Okay, I'm gonna put my glass in.
Alright, put the key card.
All right. Okay.
I got a yellow whoopee cushion.
That just color glitched it. Well, it took everything.
Oh, I get it.
What?
I get it. You see these colors up here? See those?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're supposed to make it like full, like super full.
Huh?
And we only made it like halfway, so.
Oh, we need more. Okay, wait.
Yeah.
Dynamite equals bigger. Duckies means color.
Oh yeah, you're right.
So we can color glitch and make it big.
Oh yeah, that's why the whoopee cushion. All right, bro, you ready to just die? I could get all your stuff back. Don't worry.
All right.